Sir.
We'll speak after meeting. CM will speak.
Yeah, but small comment, sir. What are the plans for the football in the country now, sir?
We'll speak after we meet CM. Then thereafter,
Sir, FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup is happening in Goa. Anything on that side? But overall,
सर जी
के पासे करे आप
मैडम you will speak something.
क्या लगा आगे ये रहते गार्डन हाँ अब आगे दिसता है आसान पे हो गया कौन तो देखो क्या
कोणी म्हणे तू काय बोलले ना हां
हमारी वेलकम going point part एक तो call president it's a matter of right
हां ओके
thank you
पाएगी